个真4强的大拼战，另外一组是法国甲摩洛哥，明仔载暗晚半暝3点要来车拼。巴西传奇球星罗纳度，伊讲若是阿根廷梅西摕到冠军，伊会为因感觉欢喜。但是罗纳度讲，其实阿根廷这届趁了并无真好。罗纳度讲，这届的世界杯上强的球员是法国的姆巴佩，伊认为法国摕到冠军的几率上大。
France is the favorite one to win the World Cup.
因为法国队会伫这届世界杯摕冠军，巴西传奇球星罗纳多·罗纳度接受采访，尤其是对前锋姆巴佩表现印象真深。
He knows how to use his ability, how to go faster than the others and use that ability to assist or score. Mbappe, for me, is going to be the best player for the World Cup.
讲姆巴佩是最佳球员，因为摩洛哥无可能打败法国。罗纳多原本预测巴西和法国会争取冠军，想要到巴西无进入4强，可以强调雷马尼为国家队出战做真大牺牲，相信伊会用更加强的姿态回归世界杯。
He's still young, 31 years old. I think he can play the next World Cup.
针对嘛进入4强的阿根廷，罗纳多嘛讲出伊的心声。
Rivalry between Brazil and Argentina, so I will not be that hypocrite to say that I will be happy for Argentina, but it's not true.
虽然身为巴西人，罗纳多无想要看到阿根廷赢球，不过伊嘛讲，若是梅西摕冠军，伊会替伊欢喜。罗纳多嘛真客观讲，其实阿根廷毋是踢甲真好，不过因为因真想要赢，到底敢会当进入冠军赛，结果也真歹讲。